What if the power went out right now? Could you feed your family a real dinner? What if it stayed out for a month? What's really in your pantry? This homemade Hawaiian pizza is a delicious dinner to throw together, and you can make it with this stovetop oven, even when you don't have any power. Fuel your real oven. Pizza is always a win, and Hawaiian is my family's fave. But here's the twist. It's 100% straight from the pantry. No fridge, no stress, no sad can of beans. I've spent years building meals that work in real life and emergency. I don't do bland survival food. I build pantry systems that taste like you ordered takeout. It's not your crazy uncle's prepper food, but it is emergency ready. Every delicious recipe I make feeds you today and protects you tomorrow. It's daily life dinner and emergency food all in one. A true 2-for-1. Homemade sourdough Hawaiian pizza is a sweet, savory, and happiness on a plate. But here's the wild part. You could buy these ingredients today, store them properly for a year, and it would taste just as good as the day you bought it. That's why I love pantry meals. They save your weeknight and they save your future. Power outage, storm, empty shelves, you're calm, you're fed. You're not in a panic line at the store. I started Loaded Potato to stop stressing about dinner every night. Easy meals from the pantry. But now it's about never worrying about dinner ever again. Keep watching. I'm about to show you how to make this apocalypse-proof Hawaiian pizza step by step. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I'm the I hate to cook a master. And I've hacked the Martha Stewart rigged system that has us locked in our kitchen for hours when there is a better way. Everything you need is in your pantry. No more hours of slicing and dicing. I show you how to make quick, delicious meals for about $1 or $2. No hours of prep. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll make sure that you never have to worry about dinner again. Today, tomorrow, or 30 years from now. I'm hungry and I want some pizza, so let's go. Here's everything you're gonna need. A pizza crust. Check out my other video on easy pizza crust video. It's just made with starter, flour, water, oil, and salt. Super easy, make the day before. And for the pizza, you're gonna need tomato sauce, Italian seasoning, white American cheese, canned pineapple, and salami. Preheat your oven to 425 or stovetop oven if your power truly is out. With your beautiful pre-made pizza crust, spread the tomato sauce on with a spoon. Sprinkle on your Italian seasoning. Next, break apart your white American cheese and scatter around the pizza. Top with your pineapple chunk and sliced salami. Stick it in your oven or stovetop oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese is melted and the edges are golden brown. The result, restaurant-worthy, cheesy, sweet, savory Hawaiian pizza that your family will love on any random Thursday or during a power outage. If meals have been feeling like a never-ending burden, it's time to ditch the Martha Stewart ideals and follow me for more quick, shelf-stable meals and visit loadedpotato.org to find recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and all my favorite fridge-free recipes. And while you're there, use our auto grocery calculator to stock your pantry like a boss for tomorrow and 30 years from now. Just pick your meals and we'll do all the grocery calculating for you. You can even add it straight to your Walmart or Amazon cart, all free. Never worry about dinner again. loadedpotato.org. Till next time.